Hey, it's Maury. Out for another walk. It's another gorgeous day. I try to get out as much as I can for the exercise. I've actually thought about buying one of those little personal Segways, the 9-Bot S, which would be a lot of fun, but I think it would kind of defeat the purpose too. You know, I go out to get some exercise. I guess those are exercising to a point. They exercise your legs and your core and stuff, but I don't know. I'm torn. It just seems like it would be fun to ride one. I had one in my Amazon cart. It was the upgraded model. It was $399. And then I just went and looked the other day and it's up 90 bucks. It's like $489 now. So, I don't know. I could probably just use the exercise. In other news, I'm kind of contemplating things. You may or may not know that I'm sort of semi-retired. I had a career in IT and have done some consulting and been kind of kicking around the ideas for what to do with myself if I wanted to go back to work or take on a consulting gig or something. With my current situation, it's sort of forced me into thinking about things in a different way. And I think that I've decided that I'm going to remain unemployed and just do some traveling basically full time. I'm sharing a house with my daughter, and I don't want her to have to live with her dad forever, so I may end up next year, once things kind of settle down, I may end up upgrading to a larger rig, something that would be a little more suitable for full timing. I don't anticipate actually full timing, but it would be more comfortable. So I don't know, I'll have to think about it. There are some pretty nice rigs out there that are a little bigger. I don't think I would go too big, but the extra space and extra comfort would be nice. I don't know. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below what you think about that idea.